The Air Jordan 1 Mid Blue Void, Summit White and Hot Lava puts a bold spin on Georgetown-inspired colorways, dropping fall 2025 for $130. While not a direct match to the Hoyas palette, it blends collegiate roots with updated style. A bright blue void base is paired with Summit White overlays, flipping the layout of the 2022 Jordan 185 Georgetown. Hot Lava Jumpman logos add vibrant contrast, injecting energy into the design. The Jordan 1's history with Georgetown dates back to 1985, when Peter Moore created a Hoyas sample during the debut of Nike's trio, Air Jordan 1, Dunk, and Terminator, the latter worn by the Hoyas that season. This mid-top edition carries that lineage forward while offering something fresh for sneaker fans. Though it veers from tradition, it delivers a modern, stylish nod to the past with new energy and accessible flair.